Hey guys, Chad here with Midlife Classic Cars. Today is round 2. I'm not sure what's going to happen with the video from round 1. When I was transferred to my laptop, the main race file was corrupted. So we're going to see if I got enough video for a race. But if not, I made Flow TV's channel, so you can kind of see me on there. But yeah, yesterday I was a little disappointed in the race. I went backwards as far as time, and was not as racy as I thought it would be. I even once I passed the cars I knew I was going to pass, I kind of let off the gas a little bit to let there start a gap in front of me a few times, just so I can have enough room to practice my craft. I knew I wasn't fast enough to move up any further, so I was just working on getting faster and stuff. So, and luckily there was no one behind me, so I could slow it down for a little bit and then work on my entry. My exits are horrible, and I think it's my entry, so I was working on that a fair amount. I'm just having a hard time getting the car completely pointed straight so I can get on the gas. And I think a lot of that is just killing my time. So that's going to be the main work in qualifying today, which is all we have is qualifying than the race. I'm over here with Race Driven Performance. They've got their whole crew getting set up now and everything. But yeah, we're going to get into it and see how it goes. Hopefully we'll have a good one. Please like and subscribe, and check out midlifeclassiccars.com. We have a bunch of t-shirts and all of our automotive books and shop manuals and restoration guides on there. So check out Midlife Classic Cars, and we'll see you in the race. Or qualifying. I don't know. We'll shoot qualifying. We'll figure out how it's going to work out. Talk to you guys later. So I did my whole thing to hang back and not take off with everyone, but this time I don't know if that was the decision made because everybody made it through the first turn, which usually they didn't. This is the first time I've been in a Charger race and made it through the first turn. So once again, my main goal was to hang out in the back and just practice getting laps and trying to get faster. It's interesting. I feel like I can be racy. I just can't stay with everyone. So I can be racy for a little bit, and then once they start pulling away from me, I just get dropped. And I think a lot of that still is my entry, which I'm going to be working on pretty soon here at the next round. Yeah, I just can't stay down the line. I don't know why the car is acting like this, or it's me. It's probably me, but I'm trying to get it to stay down the line further out, and see, I keep coming up. This is what's driving me crazy. That was one of my better exits. I'm not even sure what that was about. I was a little surprised I spun there. Yeah, I'm not really sure what that was about. That might have been my fault, but I'm pretty far down, so I'm not sure. But regardless, I didn't spin, so we're doing good. So this is pretty funny here. The car passing me now is with Apex Racing, and I guess they're kind of like team adjacent to Race Driven Performance. They all kind of work together and help each other out. Really great guys. So I didn't want to hold him up in the race, so I stayed high so he could go under me, and then I would catch him, and I wasn't sure what was going on. Later to find out he was stuck, I think, in second gear. I think that was the issue. But look, all this time here, I'm like, what is going on? Should I pass him? I'm trying to be nice to him. I don't care about the position or anything, but it was just kind of funny. We talked after the race, and I was having a good laugh about it. And that's the end of the race. Yeah, I was just laying back too much with that guy. I should have gone for it and at least got one extra position. All right, guys, so there's the end of the race. Still trying to figure things out. Not really happy with getting the car around. I do still feel racy when I can get with people, but then they just dog walk me. Make sure to check out Midlife Classic Cars and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It really helps me out. I'm trying to hit 900 subscribers, then 1,000. So it really helps me out when you guys like and subscribe. And yeah, so here's the deal. I've been in the hospital again, so I did not race a couple of the series, and I'm not going back to start racing to the 29th race, I think it is, the 29th and the 30th, where they're going to have the 4th of July. So I've taken some time off, and it took me a while to edit this video. That's why you're just now getting around to after a bit. But we'll see you in the next video. Everyone have a good one, and yeah, check out midlifeclassiccars.com.